Okay, Glenn from Spring Valley, California. My vehicle is a 2023 Thor Vegas. I've been RVing a couple of years, about 2. I think it's the freedom, being able to get out on the road and you know, you don't have to worry about where am I going to stay. You'll just find a little campground and there you are. But we really are looking forward to expanding our view. It's the perfect size. You can get into smaller spaces and yet it has everything that a large RV would have. What I didn't like about it was the ride. It was very sloppy on the road. It would bottom out easy. So now that they put a lift on it and tightened up the suspension, I don't have anything I dislike about it anymore. We were a little nervous to travel long distance in it because of the fatigue you would get in a long drive. But I think with the way it rides now, we're definitely gonna be going across country with it here soon. You know, the search for the suspension is kind of funny because I don't know how much I was searching for it, or I just lucked out and saw a video like this. I knew it was sloppy and I probably was trying to figure out, you know, what can I do about it? And I came across a video of your business and I was highly impressed with what I saw. I tell you, it's a great find. What I really wanted was the ride. So when I realized you could do a lift, it was kind of nerve-wracking because I was like, do I want to do a 2, a 4, a 6? And do I want to do any lift? When I started thinking about the fact that you would bottom out with this, I knew I needed to do some kind of lift. And it seemed like a waste of time to only bring it up 2 inches. And I thought 6 might be an overkill. I'm short and old, so I didn't really want to take big steps. So I went with the 4-inch, but the main reason was for the ride, and the lift was just an extra. Definitely a much more confident ride. Just that little test drive, I could see the difference. I kept wanting to white knuckle it and realizing I didn't have to. I mean, for a while there, I was just doing a 2-finger drive, which I've never done in that. So definitely a night and day in the feel on the road. Well, I mean, the wife had already said we're going camping as soon as we can possibly go. So we'll probably end up just doing KQ at first, but we're probably the first year that we're talking about going cross country and visiting family in the Midwest. So that's kind of what our big test will be. I would tell them to ride in mine and see what the difference is. I mean, because all the ones without them seem to be a little sloppy. Once you get in that, I think if you're wanting to do any serious driving in it, it's a wise purchase. If you want to drive, you're going to want it.